Anybody that owns a two-stroke is proud of a two-stroke, and they all want their bikes to look factory fresh. You know, and with the modern bikes of today and the variety of colours that Boyesen offer, they certainly do that. Fitting on the ignition cover, that's pretty straightforward, straight from the stand. You can take off the plastic OEM ignition cover and replace it with the Boyesen and the Boyesen gasket, and just make sure that you torque the bolts up to the factory settings. Fitment of the Boyesen clutch cover. Once you've taken off the OEM clutch cover, whether you drain the oil and take it from the stand or whether you lean it over, my advice is that you always to remove the brake pedal, because on most manufacturers the brake pedal has a spring which is attached to the casing. If you do leave the brake pedal on, get into that bottom bolt, it's kind of hidden behind there, so it just makes life a little bit easier. Personally, I like how Boyesen ignition and clutch covers manage to hold, you know, their freshness and their look. The durability is outstanding, and it always keeps your engine looking fresh. With the Boyesen products, not only are you buying into a great product, you're also buying into a great lifestyle.